on my way to Big Jake's Custom Exhaust in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Figured you guys could hear the thrush true duels one last time off this Explorer before we drop the truck off. I'll be picking it up tomorrow with the custom Y pipe 2.5 inch setup into the Nexus Muffler. So say goodbye to the thrush. I just got word that my truck is done from Big Jake's. Big shout out to them and thanks. I want to shout out to Nexus Muffler, 2.5 inch single inlet, 2.5 inch outlet. They make various different mufflers for your application. Also thanks to SpinTech for the round to oval transition. We ended up changing the build a little bit, or the exhaust. We went 2 inch off the motor around the bell housing, then into a 2 1/4, and then into a 2.5 inch collector. So we're still running a 2-1 Y, and then 2.5 inch through the Nexus muffler, and then 90'd out the passenger side. Alright you guys, so I just picked up my truck from Big Jake's. We ended up doing 2 inch head pipes into a 2 1/4 inch pipe, then down to a Y, into a 2.5 inch collector, just because of space with the 4-wheel drive system. So here's the Nexus 2.5 inch muffler, center inlet, center outlet.